What's up, guys? It's March 19th, 2025. FOMC day. Had a nice rally. Leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three. Fourth leg ended up being climactic and then went sideways. Today's breakdown is going to be a little bit of a faster one. Let's get into it. Leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three, pullback, leg four. And there's a fractal leg. Well, there's not fractal. There's another leg two down here. Leg one, pullback, leg two. You say this is three pushes down. Push one, push two, push three, or you can say it's about 3-4 legs down, the way we counted. We're just trying to get a second leg up from these two bars. Leg one, pull back, leg two. This is today's bar. Today's bar already rallied one tick past the swing high, so that's the minimum the bulls needed for leg two. 15-minute chart, we sold off, we went sideways, broke out of that trading range, went for a couple legs higher. Leg one, pull back, leg two. Ended up having a deep pullback, testing the breakout points lows, and we rallied. Leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three, or you can count these three bars as legs as well. So you could say leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three, break out of the trading range, leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three, sideways price action. We have a gap up, bad follow through bar one. Bar two is a bull bar, closing on its high, but has more tail than body, so it's a trading range bar. Bar three looks like a bear bar that should get a second leg, however, it doesn't, and you can see bulls bought the close right away. It doesn't touch the EMA, and we rally for two legs, 4 and 5. 6 is the first reversal after these three bars. There's a bull bar below bar three, so you could argue this is a 3-bar bull microchannel, but visibly there's only two. 1, 2. Bar 6 is the first pullback, and then we get second leg, 7, 8. More trading range behavior ends up being a second leg trap. We rallied into yesterday's open, and then we went sideways for a few legs. Then we went down for a few legs. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3, pullback, leg 4 into the EMA. 18 testing the breakout point of 2, and we rally for a second leg. So this whole structure got a second leg. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Leg 1, pullback, counted that wrong. So here's a bear trend line break, and then bulls got a lower high, which is the best situation for the bulls, worse for the bears. Bears want to at least get back to the recent swing low or make a new low, but in this case we're in a bull regime, so bulls actually turned this into a lower high and rallied for a few bars. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 7 bars. So it was a rally. It was a weak rally. These bars are hardly breaking out of the previous bar's highs. 29, 28 breaks out of 27's high, and big bar 29 ends up being climactic at a new high. Then we go sideways to down until FOMC. So then we have a few legs here. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. I think bars 42 through 45 are strong to get its own second leg, or restart the market cycle. So leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Ends up being a wedge bottom. We go sideways. When FOMC happens, we just treat it like it's a new day. So bar 55 could be breaking out of this range, breaking out above the EMA. Bad follow through 56, but it is the same color. So it's still bullish, but it doesn't close past bar 55's high. 57 starts to break out above 55, but has a bad close. 58 rallies and sells off, and then we have a pullback 59, 60. Bulls bought the EMA again. Rallies, big bar gets a pullback right away, 62. Bulls are eager to buy this, and we have another big breakout bar, 63. But again, bad fall through 64. We have a climactic rally, 65 through 68. There's a bull bar on top of 69, but it sold off. And that started the bears to get two legs down. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Do some measured moves with you guys real quick. Or let's look at the gaps. So in trend, the gaps stay open. In trading range, gaps get closed. Here we have some gaps open, and they get closed right here. The gap between 2, 3, and 4 stay open until later in the day it gets tested and bars start to close below it. Bulls start to break out. and now they have another gap here that gets closed right away, but then they have another gap on 63 and 65 that 65 doesn't really stay open, but they have a very small gap here. It's a weak gap because it starts with a bear bar, bull, bear. We want to see 3 bars in a row like this, bull, bull, bull. So the gaps are a little bit different. And let's go over the measured moves. Opening range, first 3 bars. 1 to 1 was met pretty quick. Could say the breakout bar, bar 4. That's also met. That's hold on. Yeah, that's met 1 to 1. This ends up being a second leg trap. I was watching this. I thought it could actually go up higher, but it didn't. Well, it does, but it gets a delayed pull. It gets a deep pullback. Here's another trading range from the low of 18 to the high of 20, 21. Excuse me. Breaks out, gets 1 to 1, and then it starts to reverse back to trading range lows here. These 4 bars look like it's trying to get a second leg. However, Powell is talking soon, and it actually does if you put it to the top of the pullback. So these were breakout measured moves, and this was a leg measured move. So on the breakouts, I'm just going for measured move at the breakout point. When it's a leg 1, leg 2, I'm going for measured move at the swing point, which would be 52 or 50 high, which is the start of the second leg. So that's why you see 2 different types of measurements there. But 1 to 1 was met with a tail of 55. That's the first FOMC bar. I don't know if I'm going to hold that, but 1 to 1 is met there. So it's a breakout, pullback, and then you can hold it for 1 to 1 and a little bit more than 1 to 1. That almost looks like 2R, but I think it's just shy. Yeah, just shy of 2R. Barely made it. Sells off, market gets starts 16, 7, excuse me, 70 starts is a bear bar closing out slow, bigger bear bar 71, and then good bear bar 72, but it sells off into the EMA, 3 bar rally right here, 3 bar bull microchannel rally, testing the 70 low, sells off again, doesn't complete the second leg. So yeah, today was a little bit quicker. Hope you guys had a good one. If you learned something, share the show. Always appreciate the questions you guys ask. Thank you. Have a good one, everyone. Talk to you tomorrow.